Hello, friends. I am Dr. Kanti Bansal. I am the director of Safal Fertility Foundation, Ahmedabad. I'll now be talking regularly on the subject of infertility management. So, today, let us understand some of the basics. Infertility is a global problem. It's seen in the developed countries, in the developing countries, as well as the underdeveloped countries. So, according to WHO, International Classification of Diseases, there are around 48 million couples around the world who are infertile, and also around 186 million individuals who have infertility globally. Now, why do we need to understand this complex problem? Because infertility not only upsets or troubles the infertile couple, but it also really disturbs the entire family. Now, many people feel that why should there be more number of population in a developing country like India? We have to understand that infertility is a form of disease which can affect either male or female. And if some out of five people, if one has five babies or another one has two babies, three people do not have. So, dear friends, every person, every human being has the right to reproduction. That means the couples all around the world, poverty or no poverty, has a right for having an offspring. So we need to understand the different situations of infertility and try to help these infertile patients. So now let's understand what is the definition of infertility. Infertility is defined as a couple who are not observing any sort of contraception for 12 months, that is 1 year, and then they are not planning any family planning or not using contraceptive methods and having regular intercourse and still fail to conceive. This is defined as infertility. And in infertility, we can have different factors. Different factors means the infertility could be a male factor. That means the male may be being the cause of the problem of infertility in the couple, or it could be the problem could be with the female, that we call it as female factor. And sometimes, unfortunately, the infertility problem could be both with the male and female, and that we call it as the combined factor. So when we see the patients initially, we have to keep all these things in mind and try to explain to the patient, and we should not stop when we find cause in one couple, one one of the couple, but we need to investigate and find out actually where the fault lies, and we need to very systematically and scientifically treat these patients or manage these patients. Thank you.